You know what? You can reuse so many leftover things to make something great. Boxes, paper cups, old lids, tubs, pots, cardboard, buttons, bottles.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a terrific turtle. We're going to need a paper plate, PVA glue, tissue paper, old netting, bottle lids, green card, paint and some stickers. Paint the back of a paper plate a greeny blue colour.
Painty, painty, monster painty. Hey, 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 hey!
Once it's dry, use PVA glue to add pieces of coloured tissue paper. This will make a shell pattern on the paper plate.
Gluey, gluey, sticky, sticky.
We can also stick on pieces of old netting. You might have some in your scrap box, or you could use pieces from an old fruit bag. While that dries, take some green card and draw front flippers, back flippers, and a head shape. Now we can carefully cut these shapes out.
You know what this calls for? Some monster cutting. Yeah!
Always ask your grown-up for help when using scissors. Now it's time for more sticking. Let's glue the head here, then the front flippers and the back flippers. Flip the turtle over and glue on 2 bottle lids. And finally, let's add some stickers for eyes.
Yeah! Googly!
There we have it. One terrific turtle all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.